So we're looking to establish a dry cleaning system for the hospitals. So currently the cleaning method that is used involves water. So the problem with that is that the water is left on the floor. So currently the cleaners will come in, they'll mop the floors stay damp, there's a signage that's put up over the floors. So the issue with that is the floors don't dry quickly, so staff and visitors walk over the floors, they trip over the signs, which obviously causes injuries. Across the state we'd probably have thousands of those yellow hazard signs. The most common injuries are shoulder injuries, neck injuries and back injuries. Currently they use a disinfectant-based solution and they add water to it. I guess we need a more advanced kind of methodology to eliminate the need for water. So we need a cleaning system that is at a hospital standard. So it needs to take into consideration infection control, it needs to meet audit criteria, can't involve gas solutions. The solution needs to be easily accessible through the hospital. It needs to be easy to learn, as English isn't always the first language. It needs to be safe, because there's a human factor involved. It needs to be easy to be taught, to be easy to be operated, and we have to bear in mind that we don't want any more repetitive injuries. There's been nothing else explored, no other methods explored that we're aware of. We don't know of any other methods that are waterless or liquidless, and there's a significant cost component to slips, trips and falls. The priority is to eliminate water from the cleaning process to reduce slips, trips and falls. I think it would change, it'd take away the repetitive strain injuries because the water does add weight to the buckets and so forth. I think it would eliminate the slip hazard and the trip hazard, eliminate the need for the yellow hazard signs, which is also a trip hazard. I think that it would modernise the way the cleaning system. It's also a financial benefit. Yeah, I think it would modernise the entire cleaning process. We're quite stone age in the way that we clean in the hospital system at the moment.